Hey, what's up guys? It's Cliff, PurePressure here. We're at our factory here in Denver, Colorado. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the facility. This is the front office space here. We got a lot of cool things on this shelf. We've got some really sweet plants. They're struggling right now though. You can see a lot of these brown leaves. Jessica, we need you back in the office. We've got the Gold Helix Pro here that we made for 2 Chainz in his show Most Expensivest. Below that, you'll see some of the SKUs that we offer in our training courses. So customers will buy our equipment and we'll show them how to make all of these different products. We've got quite a few 3D printers now, so guys like to mess around in their spare time. This is Groot. We made this one out of some wood filament. Came out pretty sweet. A little piggy up there too. I'll show you our little fish tank here. Brando really holds it down for Nemo and the boys here. And now I'll kind of take you through the office spaces and show you some of these guys hard at work here. Let's see who's in here. All right, we've got Ben Britton and Josh Rutherford. These are the 2 co-founders of PurePressure. Hard at work in there. This is Kyle Manuel's office, working on some top secret projects over here. Got some things that are gonna blow your mind here soon. So we're in the factory now. I'm gonna show you where all the magic starts here. This is all of the pneumatic components for both the Pikes Peak and the Longs Peak. This is the pneumatic station, so this is where they start building out everything that makes those plates go together. You know, we've also got manual versions like the Helix and Helix Pro that don't require these. It's just you apply pressure with the hand crank on top. So this is the Axis build station here. As you can see, we've got these bad boys really lined up. These things are flying right now, so we've got to keep production going nonstop here. It's just some inventory that we couldn't fit around. These are definitely my favorite vessels that we offer. They're the 65-gallon with that center drain port, so they just drain a lot more efficiently than a side port. This is Scotty Too Hottie here. This is the guy who ships out all of your products here, does it with love, really holds it down. This is what an Axis looks like when we crate it up. Take a lot of care to make sure it shows up to you in one piece. Show you in the conference room. I'm sure we've got some guys meeting in here right now. We've got some people from the Precision team, the Lab Society team, and Cascade as well. And this is just a wall of inventory here. As you can see, we're pretty stocked up. We've got a whole wall of rosin bags over here, so we typically keep every size and micron you can think of stocked up. So if you guys want to order online or stop by our store, you're welcome by anytime. All right, this is our testing center over here. It's typically where we test all of our presses. This is Brando, the guy who holds down the fish tank. Looks like he's building some Helix Pros over here. These are the more manual versions I was talking about. There's typically a crank over here that we would just twist and apply pressure. So these are pretty sweet. This is what I've got in my house. And now we'll take you upstairs and show you the chill spot. All right, so this is the chill space up here. You can see we've got quite a few people kicking it up here right now. Brando over here shooting some hoops. Brando, show him your new tattoo. This guy went up me with the sleeve over here. Check it out. It's got some guys playing some ping pong over here. We got some foosball over there. Couches to post up for meetings, so it's really a solid little space. All right guys, now that we're done having fun with the boys up here kicking it, we're gonna head down to the demo lab, show you some of our equipment, show you what a lab looks like. Let's go. So we've got a really sweet mural that we just got done by Max Coleman. This is a local Denver artist who does all of our stickers and merch, and you know, he does murals down in Rhino District, so really cool guy. Check him out on Instagram. These are some of our very first prototypes. So you can see they're pretty rough. This was the start of the Helix press. This one actually functions. This was just a 3D prototype that we 3D printed here. So that's pretty sweet. All right, now this is the demo lab here. We've got the Helix base here. This is the one that you twist manually. This is the Pikes Peak here. Looks like we've got a dual pressure setup here. My favorite's the automated though, because you can just hit a button and walk away. Over here, you know, we've got an RO tank. This is something we provide as well. We've got freeze dryers, both Lab Conco and Harvest right here. This is a little mini ice maker setup. We've got the freezer to store all of your fresh frozen. We've got, you know, 3 compartment sinks to wash off all your gear at the end of the day. We've got tray racks here, so we offer beginning to end solutions. We've got something for every part of the lab. This is where all the cool tools are. We've got the CNC machine back there, hard at work. Got some guys over here working on some R&D projects. Top secret stuff over there. This is the sweet 3D printers that I mentioned earlier. This right here, this is the Jackhawk 9000. Definitely my favorite rig. Printed Groot out of there, little Piggy too. Got something working over here on the little smaller one. Pretty cool to watch. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. We got to get back to work, so it's time for you to get out of here. Later.